Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking the good old small commercial vessel Lizanne to a beach survey using the drone. And so in this presentation we hope to be able to show you how the drone can be used for maritime applications, namely beach survey, beach assessment, to use it for a wide variety of applications for data that people are looking for. So this is something we've been requested to do, and it's something that is another application of drones, where we're going to use the small vessel to get to a specific location, deploy the drone, scan a certain area, and then upload the data for mapping, both 2D, 3D. So we think it's going to be a really useful asset. So as you can see, I brought the floats for the RPAS configuration, and they've already been preset, so I don't have to worry about doing that on the field. We plan to be out there all day doing this operation. And a beautiful day out here in the bay.
Here you can see the small vessel is able to quickly get you to and from the location safely. And once you're there, that is a time the team can work together to map the site, to lay out exactly where you want the waypoints to be and what areas you want to cover of the subject area. Here it's a beach. The tide has gone out a bit, allowing to see the erosion and the eelgrass and other features of the area. This whole flight operation actually took probably around an hour, and it was covering a very expansive beach where we were able to maintain line of sight with it. The planning of it was actually done on site just to gauge some variables. We can get a really good image just with video feed on this particular operation, so we get the best of all worlds. We get video data, we get still imagery, and we get data that we can stitch together for calculations. There's kind of a broader view of the island that we're focusing on with this mission. An area that's prone to have debris wash up on it due to tidal currents and back eddies. We can see there's that one area of erosion that we are monitoring and trying to really get some data on to discover how much it is eroding in a given time period. But at the same time, we're also looking for these other beach marine debris that we often find. They could be dilapidated boats, they could be fish gear, ghost gear, dock structures. The advantage of the map is that we can take it home with us for further analysis, especially when it comes to volumetric data. We're able to process it, we can share it, we can colorize point clouds, 3D maps, and really pick out things that we didn't discover while on the field. The drone would have been capable to go much further, and we could achieve resolution even better than that. That was from 300 feet. And that is on 3D maps. So the resolution we get with the professional survey grade camera we use exclusively on these kind of projects is exceptional. This is just an example of doing a volumetric calculation and really how quickly it can be done from the program and produce a point cloud and an actual number of the volume. And again, pretty good resolution, good data, little distortion, and that's really what we're looking for. There's the dock structure that I did notice on this particular mission. There again is another overview of the 3D map of the entire area. And again, you can go to the area of interest that you're looking for, make notes, and be able to track in real time what's going on. Thanks for joining us, and please reach out if you have any questions regarding marine applications and beach scans using RPAS.